Hi everyone, it's Steve Schwartz with PDGo Digital Marketing. I just wanted to share a website that we launched a few days ago for a local small business here in Vero Beach, Florida called the Pool Company of Vero Beach. And this is a owner-operator pool company that does pool cleaning, pool maintenance, some repairs and whatnot. And they just needed a nice, clean, professional, basic website to use to showcase their business online. So I wanted to show it to you. As you can see, we have their logo in the upper left corner that's transparent, so the background video shows right through it, as well as the top navigation bar items here like pool cleaning, pool remodeling, pool construction, testimonials, and contact us. The phone number is a click to call, so if you pull up this website on your smartphone, you'll be able to click that button once, and then it'll say, do you want to call? And you click it again, and it'll start dialing the business from your phone app. Obviously, we have a background video here, and this is actually just a stock video of a person cleaning a pool. And we thought when people come to a website, we want to make it very clear to the visitor that they know what the business does and the service they offer. And so this video is a really great way of showing we clean pools as one of the main things that they do. Okay, lower down on the page, you notice as I scroll, the top navigation has a background color of blue that goes over it, and that way you can very easily see these navigation items no matter where you are in the scrolling. There's some text about the business, the different services they offer, the service areas, the service hours, contact, and the ability to schedule an appointment. There are a few testimonials down here that scroll back and forth, and then the footer. And then as you go throughout the website, you can go to the different pages, such in this case as pool cleaning, information about that and what comes with the weekly service, the chemicals and whatnot. For pool remodeling, there's information about is it time to give your pool a makeover? And we found a stock photo of a gorgeous swimming pool here that we thought was showing the high-end nature of the business and the clients that he serves. There's another page for pool construction, showing the process of building a pool. There are testimonials. And again, contact us. Shows the address, the phone number, a contact form where people can fill out the form and click submit, as well as a map to his location. Anyways, a lot of great stuff going on here. The website is also ADA compliant, as you can see from this icon. Also, the website works perfectly on smartphones and tablets as well. If we can help you with your website project for your business, nonprofit, or even government agency, we are very, very happy to help you. Just reach out to us, pdgo.com. You can visit schedule.pdgo.com to pick out a time to get on my calendar and we can chat and see if we're a good fit for each other. We do look forward to serving you. You're also welcome to call 772-770-4077 extension 1, and that'll go right to me. Again, Steve Schwartz with PDGo Digital Marketing in Vero Beach, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.